Dun 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 dun. Hi guys, it's Father's Day and my dad is still cutting the grass, is still cleaning the house, and I came here and look, there's a soft egg. Look at the difference between a hard and a soft. All of you might be wondering, what is a soft egg and why does this happen? The reason why, because if a chicken doesn't have enough calcium, they won't eat their eggs. They don't have if they'll not have enough calcium to make hard eggs, so they make soft eggs, and they don't have enough calcium. Look at him. That one is biting me. No, don't touch my balls. Look at all the chickens here. Look. Oh, I can see the yolk in there. Look at the yolk. Look at it. The soft egg is here. And I'll just put it back here. And there you go.